How many more?
I think this is the last one. And don't tell them that this is for the greater good again. It doesn't work.
You knock.
I did the last 3. And stop telling them this is for the greater good. It doesn't work.
I've been using their lines for years, son. So don't tell me what to do, all right? Now, they don't teach you this kind of stuff in the convention. So watch and learn, because we're in the field, soldier.
We haven't sold a single fridge in hours, and they're gonna fire us when we get back.
Now, this is exactly what I have to deal with when I get put with the heel like you. I've gone weeks, I mean weeks, without selling a single widget. Now, can you handle that, huh? Huh? I didn't think so. Yuppies from the city come to do real nice work.
You are 2 years older than me.
You have a baby face.
Yeah.
What do you guys want?
Mr. Moxlow, my partner, Mrs. Smallland, and I are here under a very...
Are you guys salesmen?
Mr. Muxlow.
Just get inside. Just get inside.
Is it a real fur or very nice?
Yeah, it's a leopard. Hey, you guys want a drink? You look like a drinker.
Me? No, I do enjoy the occasional sparkling water, but,
Mr. Moxlow, Cole and I are here to talk to you about what matters the most. I know you think that we're just merely 2 salesmen hawking some widget. But frankly, Mr. Moxlow, we see ourselves as far more important than just salesmen. You see, what we've got here to sell is something that we believe is essential to the American way of life. We like to think of it like this. What we do is for the greater good. My good, your good, our society's good. We all benefit from this transactional relationship. And guess what? It grows the economy. Benefits everybody. And hurts nobody.
with all that being said, Mr. Muxlow, how are your fruits and vegetables? Is your cold storage getting a little bit cramped? Maybe your crisper is a little crowded?
You guys are selling fridges.
Yes, Miss Mox.
Yes, fridges, yes. Fridges.
I see you, partake.
I know you're in there, Adam. Oh, fuck. It's my twin brother.
Mr. and Mrs. Muxlow, I have a fridge here for you. I just need a signature.
You better not be buying another fucking fridge. You've been served. What's lawyer? Paper's right here.
Mr. Muxlow, need a signature, please.
Oh, you've done it this time. She wants the tape. She wants the lilac. That's my fucking marriage.
I just need a signature.
I don't want to sound like a broken record, Adam.
If you could oblige.
Greater good. Think of it.
I just need another signature.